We're gonna make the GoFlow ready for our sampling, and it's always important that you do this action inside the clean air chamber. And the best way here is that you just sit down comfortably on a chair, and then make sure that all your fabric is being completely covered with the apron. And then, as you can see, everything is like covered here. And then you're gonna put in the you're gonna fix up the GoFlow ready for the sampling. And it's really important to make sure this section is completely closed so that you are having it ready. And similarly, make sure that this section is also kind of like closed, and make sure that this is given extra care. So you can actually see that it's a bit up. This is right now open. And then you have to make sure that it's closed, and then you just turn it so that it's
the hole
kind of
should
like
be
quite
different place from the
pin. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how you can get the GoFlow system ready. So our goal here is to get this loop into this small kind of like pin here. So
but
if you just
tell them
yeah.
now it is close.
Yes. Now about the size, you can see
And
it is
when we are making ready, it should be also close.
Okay.
Because this system is close, it will open automatically in the at the 10 meter, which we show another video.
Yes.
And then we can close by messenger.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are making ready for deployment.
Yes. So the final aim is to pull this loop in here, and you can actually see that right now it's not coming in. So the most important things is that you have to make sure that these two beads are coming closer into this metal setup here. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take up the rubber band here and then pull it in this direction, so you can see that this bead is coming near this metal frame here, and you can actually see that it can be pulled inside. Similarly, in this section of the rubber band, you have to turn it, and right now you can see that you can pull both the beads into this frame here.
Pneumatic valve.
Yeah, pneumatic valve. So next, what we are going to do is that it's always better that you pull the bottom one in, and then you pull in the pneumatic valve up, and then fasten it like this. And then the next step, what you can do is that the bead for the top section, you can gently pull it in and take it down. So right now it is kind of like the system is ready. And again, please remember that in this GoFlow system, both the sides will be closed when you are fixing this thing ready, and it will open only at 10 meter depth because of the pneumatic system pressure. And then now what you're going to see is that I'm going to take this loop here and then fix it into the pin. So I'm going to gently push the top section here and take the loop inside, and now it is closed. And you already have a video section in which you will see how you are fixing the Kevlar onto the this GoFlow, and similarly adding in the messenger. So again, like when it is in the 10 meter depth, the pneumatic pressure valve will open, and this will release the air which is now trapped inside here, and this has to be clearly checked when you're deploying your GoFlow into the sampling station, because this will clearly confirm that the GoFlow system is open from 10 meter depth and below. So if the gas bubbles are you're not able to see that, then it's pretty high likely that the system has not opened due to some defect here. So just take it out and redo it. Otherwise, it will be quite cumbersome to wait until all the sample is out and redo it. So these are the quite important things.
I think you forget something. This is usual practice. That's very good. You forget. Because this is a kind of nice demonstration.
Oh, I forgot to.
Yeah. This is, you have to band
most
it
important,
back.
I have to put back the bands.
Yes,
then only
exactly.
it will be ready.
Yeah, and same for here.
Same here. put the bands back into the groove.
Normal, yeah.
It's better that you take the band here and then
Yes.
take it. Good. And now you can see that it's
Yeah,
also
everything
quite
is
tight.
And it is ready for deployment.
Yes.
And of course, when this bottle, as it is, reach roughly 10 meter, this pneumatic valve will go, because of hydrostatic pressure, will go down and release this tool beef. And of course this was also because of the messenger, it will be open and system will be open.
Yes.
We can show even if you have pen. Just
Okay.
be careful.
No, I can
Take-
do it. I can do
No,
it.
I can do it, no
Yeah, I
problem.
can do it. Yeah.
Okay,
So
now
I'm just gonna
you see,
push the
now hydrostatic pressure like working, and I'm,
just pressing it in. You can actually see,
you see, now it is open.
yes, and this will release the air
As you
inside.
see, this
Messages
is holding here, okay, and it's keep this tension, keep this bottle open, and water can run through in go flow, and until you send your messenger,
Messenger.
which is like this,
attached.
this
Kevlar.
messenger will hit here and release this one. Can you hit? You see, now it is closed. Now it is, your sample is in it and you can take it out. We will have another video for showing this.